right? I'm not going to argue about it. We're just going to do this real fast. Got this? Let's do this.
Thank you, because she need help.
Yes, I know.
No, she don't.
Yes, I do. I changed tires.
Alright, well, you did do one thing smart. You didn't jack it up.
Don't tell her what she did, just fix it.
I was going the wrong way. Are you recording me, Tati?
No. You need to take that thing out of here.
How do you say righty tighty, lefty loosey, and you still was going the wrong way?
Emergency brake on. I should have just watched you do this.
I would have said this thing trying to get the
We'd have never got home.
He changed the brake, he put the lug nuts on tight.
Who, Brian?
Well, we still got the rest.
You got another one?
No.
Wait, but do that. For the brake. I thought you talking about. You should just leave the car where it's at and we'll call a ride, because that's too much, too tired. That is the slimmest donut I've ever seen in my life. The tire like twice the size of that thing. That ain't a donut. That's a donut hole. So he taking off Krispy Kreme and you about to put a Kroger donut.
Better turn that damn thing on. This shit better not